Hello and very warm welcome to RefLimts. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can download Windows 11 ISO file and how we can create a virtual machine through that ISO file. And also we can burn that on a flash drive and we can install it on a new PC or server machine. So let's start this video. The first thing first, you need to understand if you are already using Windows 10, so you can actually get the ISO file of Windows 11. Or if you are already using Windows 11, in both cases you can get the ISO file of Windows 11. So here's the website, microsoft.com/software download Windows 11. So you need to go at this website, and there you can see the multiple options available. So you can see Windows 11 installation assistant and create Windows 11 installation media. So you can create there and download Windows 11 disk image, that is ISO file, for 64 devices. So there you need to select. So it's actually multi edition, so you will find multiple editions: home edition, Windows 11 Pro edition. So you need to select which edition you want to install there on your PC or virtual machine. So now you can read this before you begin downloading an ISO, and when you complete this read, you can confirm this. So it will validate your request. This may take several minutes. Do not refresh the page or select back doing so. Will cancel the request. So here you need to wait some. So this might depend on the speed of your internet and your data or whatever. So I mean your computer machine. So my internet right now it's a little slow, but it's all right. So choose one. There you need to select the language. For example, I go with the English and confirm here. Now you have a link, and this link is valid for 24 hours. So you just need to click on this link and it will start downloading. You can see this, it has started downloading. Now this will take few time. So we have already downloaded this. Remember, you must have 5 GB of size in your hard disk to have this ISO file. So I pause this right now. In fact, I cancel this right now. So I have already downloaded this. Now we move to create an a virtual machine here, and we can also use this ISO file to burn on a flash drive. So I'll show you one system that's called Rufus. We can use Rufus or any other tool to burn this ISO file on a virtual machine. Here on my download, so you can see this is Rufus, and Rufus is actually portable here. So through this system we can create a flash drive, and it's quite easy. If you want to create a flash drive, bootable flash drive of Windows 11, you can use this ISO file and you can create a flash drive, and through that flash drive you can install Windows 11 on your new PC or any other machine. So right now we are going to create a virtual machine. So you can see this is the Windows 11, and this version is 24H2, which is, I think, initial one. I don't remember. Anyhow, so here I am going to open the VMware. And in VMware, I have the license of VMware 17.5 Pro. So you can use VMware here, or if you don't have any license, so you can go with the Oracle VirtualBox. But I mean, VMware or VMware Windows Workstation Pro is quite good to create a virtual as compared to Oracle VirtualBox. So we will go to create a new virtual machine, and we use typical one. Next, and there we need to select the ISO file, which is already selected here, but let me show you how actually you will select it. So Windows 11 24 H2 English, and the version is 64. So we will select this, and next here, and then you can name this. So, and this is actually the location where we are going to create the virtual machine. So next here, and now you can actually, this is new, one of the new feature, so you can actually encrypt your virtual machine through the password. So we will select some good password here, and you need to remember this password. So now I actually create one password. Next here, and if you see this, only the files needed to support our TPM are encrypted. So we will select this option. It's actually trusted platform module TPM. So split hard disk into multiple files. So here you need to remember you must have 100 GB or at least 80 GB to create a virtual machine of what we say Windows 11. Now next here, and memory, so we can expand this. We need 8 GB, but I will use 6 GB here because my system is limited. So here we have 6 GB. Net is okay, and the network adapter, that is net, and 2 CPU cores required here, which is already available. We can power on this virtual machine after creation, so but let us go to create first. And now it will create the disk and the virtual machine. Then we will power on and we will complete the process. Now it has created, so let us power on this virtual machine. Press any key to boot from. So this error is actually, this is not an error. So what you can do, you can power off your gas, or you can shut down and then restart, it will work. Or if you can wait, you can wait here. It will give you a list to select your media file and the ISO file, and then you have to reset and it will work. So there you can see boot normally, and if we go, this is actually the media file, ISO, this is your hard disk, and EFI, network, and shell, they are something else. So we reset the system here. Now you can see it start work. There you need to select language and the time and currency format. So we'll go with Next, by default, we use keyboard or input method. Install Windows 11. I agree, and we do not have any other choice. If you want to update your Windows 11, then you will go to repair. If you are already using Windows 11, then you will select this option. There you need to provide the product key. If the key is available, add it here. If you don't have any product key, so you can select this. I don't have a product key right now. I don't have product key. It's available. Maybe it's available with my office admin. It's maybe available with some other. Um, I have missed that or whatever. So there we can select the Windows 11 Pro. We can select Windows 11. It's actually multi edition. So you can see whatever the edition you are using, you can select that. So I just go with Windows 11 Pro, and next here. And of course, we need to accept this license agreement, and we do not have any other choice. So we can say accept. And here we have partition option. So we are using one partition, and we will go with this partition. If you have a good hard disk, you can create multiple partition, but we will go with this. And now we will install the Windows 11 Pro. Ready to install, and here we are. So it will take few time. It's 5%, 6%, 7%. So I stop my video here, and when it may complete, all in between it will ask something like region or something, language, or maybe. So then I'll come back and I'll show you what happened. So right now I'm going to pause my video. Okay, now we can select the country or region, so we can go with the US. And we can select the keyboard layout, and for second layout we can select any other layout other than English. If you want to select any other layout, you can. Now it will check for updates, so let it move. Now you can provide the your device name. So I can go with the so I can go with this name. There you need to select either you use this system for personal use or set up for a school, I mean work or school. So I go with this. I set up this for work or school. For personal use, you need to log in with your Microsoft account, and there you have two options. Either you use your Microsoft account or you can use your organization. So sign in options here. So we can use domain join instead, and I can provide the name, and here I will write my local admin 1. And for password, I can provide any password here. For example, I just write so we need to select 3 security questions for right now. Pet name, we can select any pet name. Mm, mm. This is just for example. Now the thing you can do, you can actually say no for location or for diagnostic data, or include options or linking or typing. um, Till you don't remember the uh, I mean the key actually. So and of course it will check the updates and it will take time. It will take long time to update it, and then finally we can log in here. So let us wait here, or if it will take long, I will pause this video here and I'll come back. Okay, now it has complete step 1 of 3, and we can cancel features and security updates for now to move on. Uh, so it has two options. Now we can cancel this because it's taking long to complete the updates. So we can continue. So finally it say hi. Okay. Now getting things ready for you. So finally it's logged in. And now what you can do at the first step, you can take a snapshot. So here at the VM setting, and there you can see this, and you can take one snapshot. Snapshot is actually the current state. If in case you may lost this state, so you can back to this uh, whenever you want. Okay, the next thing that you can do is to set up as per your requirement. So here we go with the display setting. And we can set this to yes, this resolution, stop this. Here we can see I am logged in as local admin, and in settings you can go, you can check for the updates, you can back up your PC account if you want to take the backup of your old account here, I mean Windows 10 account or Windows 11 account here, so you can take the backup. Sign in, you need to sign in and you can back up. You need to active Windows before you can personalize your PC. You need to activate this. Uh, you have some updates here. Um, Still, you may not get the activation key, so you can actually stop the updates here. So it will not disturb you actually again and again. But when you get the activation key, so you can actually work with the activation key. So trying to set there. Windows update settings. See, installing. So you can actually stop this or you can check this, but it doesn't matter. I mean, this is legal. Uh, what you can say, it's a legal image, so there's no harm in it. So this way we have installed this and we have created one virtual machine with Windows 11. and this is legal actually, and we have directly get this to Microsoft. And thank you very much for watching Rafflings. This is for Rufus.